Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of computer graphics. In this video, we will learn how to solve a numerical using the midpoint line drawing algorithm. So let's begin. Suppose we are given the starting and the finishing point of the line as, let's say the starting point of the line is 5, 12 and the finishing point of the line is 15, 20. Now, if I have to calculate the pixels using the midpoint line drawing algorithm, so the first step is, first we will calculate the value of dy. So dy is 20 minus 12, which is 8. We will calculate the value of dx, 15 minus 5, that is 10. We will calculate the value of our d start, which is calculated as twice of dy minus dx. We have already seen these calculations at how do we derive the value of d start. Then change in value of d if we are choosing the east pixel and change in value of d if we are choosing the northeast pixel. So this comes out to be 16 minus 10, which comes out to be 6. Then we will calculate change in d if we are choosing the east pixel. So that is twice of dy, which is 16. And change in d if we are choosing the northeast pixel, that is twice of dy minus dx. So this comes out to be 8 minus 10. This comes out to be minus 4. So now the value of d start is greater than 0, and whenever the value is greater than 0, that means we will be choosing the northeast pixel. So we will choose this pixel. So now let's calculate our pixel. So this represents our initial value of xk. This is initial value of y point, then this is the value of d, and this is the next pixel that we will calculate. So the first point, we are given the starting point as 5, 12. So this is 5, this is 12. Now change in d. The initial d that we have calculated, that is d start, that comes out to be 6. So we substitute this d start over here. This is 6, that is greater than 0. So we are choosing the northeast. And जब भी हम northeast pixel को choose करते हैं, that means we will increment the value of x as well as y. So the new value of x and y becomes, this is 6, this is 13. Now 6 here, 13 here. Now we will calculate d start by putting the initial value of d start, and since we have chosen the northeast pixel, so change in d with respect to northeast is minus 4. So 6 minus 4, which comes out to be 2. Again the value is greater than 0. Again we will be choosing the northeast. So x is also incremented and y is also incremented. 7, 14. Again d start. Original d is now 2. Change in d with respect to northeast is minus 4. This comes out to be minus 2, which is less than 0. And whenever the value of d comes out to be less than 0, in that case we will be choosing the east pixel. And east pixel mein only your x value will be incremented and y will remain as it is. So as x becomes 8 and y becomes 14. Now 8, 14. Again d start. Now original d is minus 2. Now since we have chosen the east pixel, so now we have to see what is the value of change in d with respect to east, which is 16. So minus 2. Minus 2 plus 16. Which comes out to be 14. The value is greater than 0. So we will be choosing the northeast. That means x is also incremented and y is also incremented. Now this is 9, this is 15. Original d is 14. Since we have chosen the northeast, so change in d with respect to northeast is minus 4. This is 10. Again the value is greater than 0. We will be choosing the northeast. X is incremented and y is also incremented. Now we have to keep on checking this value We will stop whenever our value becomes equal to the finishing point. That means 15, 20. So we have to continue this unless we reach 15, 20. So new value of x is 10, this is 16, change in D, 10. Since we have chosen the northeast pixel, so we will subtract -4, which comes out to be 6. Again, the value is greater than 0, so increment x and increment y. This is 11, this is 17. 11, 17. New value of D start, 6 -4, 2. Again, the value is greater than 0, so increment x and increment y. So the new pixel is 12, 18. 12, 18. D start, original D is now 2, क्योंकि northeast choose की है, so we will subtract -4 from this. Since the value of change in D with respect to northeast is -4, so this is 2 -4, which comes out to be -2. Since the value is less than 0, so we will only increment x and not y. That means we are choosing the east pixel. So this is 13 and y is 18. So 13, 18. Since we have chosen the east pixel now, so change in D with respect to east is 16. So -2 -16, which comes out to be -2 plus 16, which comes out to be 14. Value is greater than 0, so increment x and increment y. So this is 14, this is 19. Change in D with respect to northeast is -4. Value is greater than 0, so increment x and increment y. Now we have seen this was the finishing point of the line, that is 15, 20. And now we have reached the finishing point, so that means we stop over here. So all the intermediate pixels that we have calculated are 6, 13, 7, 14, 8, 14, 9, 15, 10, 16, 11, 17, 12, 18, 13, 18, 14 and 19. So this is how we will calculate the intermediate pixels if the starting and the finishing point of the line are given using the midpoint line drawing algorithm. If you like this video, then do like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.